Writing equation of lines. So in writing the equation of a line, basically we have different methods. First of which is the slope-intercept form. So the equation of a line with a slope given and the y-intercept b is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. Where again, our m is our slope, b is our y-intercept. And again, would like to recall that when we are talking about the y-intercept, this is when x is 0. So example 1. Write the equation of the line given the slope in the y-intercept. Express your equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. For instance, we have here our m or our slope is negative 4, and then our b is 7. So to do that, again, we will just simply substitute. So we know that our m is negative 4, our b is 7. So what will happen is this: m negative 4, b 7. And that is our final answer. Example letter B. M is equal to 2 over 5, and then b is equal to negative 8. So again, y is equal to mx plus b. Our m is 2 over 5, our b is negative 8. So what will happen is this: m is equal to 2 over 5 plus negative 8. And again, negative times positive will give us negative. Therefore, our final answer will be y is equal to 2 over 5x is minus 8. So that will be our final answer. Example C. I'll give you 1 minute to answer this one, and then after 1 minute, I will show the solution. So again, you are given slope of 5 over 2, and then b negative 2. Alright, so this is our solution. Again, y is equal to mx plus b. M is 5 over 2, and then b is a negative 2. So we will have 5 over 2x plus negative 2, which is equal to y is equal to 5 over 2 minus 2. That will be our solution.